Thermacell Mosquito Repellent provides effective, virtually odorless, invisible protection. It's proven, tested, and trusted by millions of consumers around the world. It creates a 15 by 15 foot mosquito protection zone where mosquitoes won't bug you or bite you, and yet it doesn't use DEET. And there are no oily, messy lotions, no odors, and no open flame. So how does it work? All that's required is a butane cartridge and these repellent mats. The mats feature a version of a naturally occurring insect repellent found in chrysanthemums. To keep mosquitoes away, just insert the butane cartridge, slide the mat into place, then turn on the Thermacell repeller. The heat generated by the butane cartridge is directed to a metal grill. The heat vaporizes the repellent, allowing it to rise into the air, creating a 15 by 15 foot zone of protection against mosquitoes, black flies, and other biting flying insects. It's that easy. And all Thermacell repellers, lanterns, and torches work the same way. It's EPA approved, and you can use Thermacell anywhere, from the backwoods to your backyard. It also comes with a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. Remember, refills work in all Thermacell products. So don't let mosquitoes drive you indoors. Thermacell gives you the freedom to enjoy your next great adventure, family getaway, or just a quiet, peaceful moment in your own backyard. Create a zone of protection wherever you go in the great outdoors with Thermacell.
With its diminutive size and impressively fast boil times, the PocketRocket has been MSR's best-selling stove for years. Now, the next generation PocketRocket 2 takes everything good about the celebrated original and makes it smaller and lighter without sacrificing any of its powerful performance. The refined PocketRocket 2 is just as fast and powerful as the original, boiling a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, but we've shaved the weight down further to just 73 grams or 2.6 ounces. By designing its pot supports to fold down around the stove body, we've reduced its pack size to create a tiny piece of high-performance equipment. Its improved pot supports are stamped out of strong stainless steel, and they now accommodate a wider range of pot sizes with greater stability. We've also carried forward the stove's wind-clip windscreen on the burner head. With the burner surface separated into 3 areas, wind can blow out 1 or even 2 sectors and the stove will remain lit, minimizing wasted fuel. Precision flame adjustment allows you to go from torch all the way down to simmer. Incredibly easy to use, this impressive microstove is perfect for first-time buyers and fast and light fanatics. Stow it inside the Titan kettle or even inside the Titan mug for the ultimate ultralight kit.
This is the Bear Grylls survival belt from Gerber. It's a one-size-fits-all belt made of heavy-duty nylon webbing. The buckle twists off to reveal a small, water-resistant compartment that holds a compact fishing kit. On the underside, there's a mirror to signal for help, and on the reverse, there's a small flathead and Phillips driver in case you find yourself in need of tools. Also, there's a hidden zipper compartment to hold the Bear Grylls priorities of survival or matches. This is the Bear Grylls survival belt.
CRKT.
The M16 10KZ designed by Kit Carson features a high-carbon stainless steel blade with combined razor-sharp and triple-point serrations. The 3-inch dual hollow grind blade has a Tonto tip that is excellent for penetration. Glass-filled nylon handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment and also acts as a blade guard. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The M16Z EDC series have set the industry standard for quality and value in everyday carry folding knives.
Please comment below, which one do you like best? Let me know what you're thinking. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.